Motion is an app where individuals take multiple photos of objects, images, or written text to create an animation. Essentially, it's a movie, which gives the impression that still objects are actually in motion. Individuals can use cut paper, clay, sculptures, written words, and by adding one letter at a time. And a nice addition to this app is that you can use audio to make your animation really cool.
By the center, the receiver runs down the field for a post pattern, the quarterback throws it.
The nice thing about Coach's Eye is I can use it in class when the students are practicing their skills, and they can watch it in slow motion so they can see that they had their eyes on the ball the whole way. They can watch their pass pattern. They can draw lines showing the pass route that they're doing, a post route. I can use it for assessment and then record my voice as a critique, and they could watch it as a group.
Everything is better when we stick together. Side by side, you and I gonna win forever. Let's party forever. We're the same, I'm like you, you're like me. We're all working in harmony. Everything is awesome. Everything is cool when you're part of the team. Everything is awesome when we're living our dreams.
3, 2, 1, go. Have you heard the news? Everyone's talking. Life is good cause everything's awesome. Lost my job, that's a new opportunity. More free time for my awesome community. I feel more awesome than an awesome possum. Dip my body in chocolate frosting. 3 years later I shot the frosting. Smelling like a blossom, everything is awesome. Stepped in mud, got new brown shoes. It's awesome to win and it's awesome to lose. Awesome to lose.
Using Explain Everything as a technology integration in my classroom. One way I use it is to show student examples, being able to take the actual sample, take a picture of it, zoom in on it, being able to write on it to show what we're trying to show, as for the kids to see what a great example of writing would be, or what a great way to show how they did their math problem. It's also a way that students can get up and write on other students' work to show, like, oh, I saw how they did this. Something else that it can be used for is lessons that are done on a video. So you can kind of take a picture of something and then you can manipulate it with arrows and writing, and you can do talking while this is going on. So that can be used as like a station for a student to be listening while they're learning the lesson outside of the whole group lesson.
Down at the bottom, do you see that? Read that word, everyone.
Last.
So I can tell that this writer thought about the order
quotation marks that they use in punctuation inside of it. I'm going to show you right here. That needs a comma inside and then the quotation marks. So let's say next step.
Next step.
Comma in quotations.
Comma in quotations.
Let's give this writer 3 big claps. All right, Miss Rodney. Now I got to get off. Are you wanting to give 2 wows and a next step to the next writer?
Sure. Can you bring it up?
I will bring it up.
Great transition word.
Oh, oops. Misters, do you see any next steps for this?
Educreations is an app that we use to provide blended learning opportunities for our students. I use it during math and reading. For reading, I use it to teach the word sorts for word study. I create the sort on the app, then I email it to myself, I upload it to my website, and then the students go onto my website from there to watch their sort.
This lesson is a quick introduction to working with thousands when we're talking about decimals. In this unit, when we've been talking about decimals, we've been using the flat as our one whole unit. And we know that when we shade in one long, like this, that we're shading in 1/10 of the whole. That as a fraction would look like this. And of course, as a decimal, we would write it as 0.1.
Our final example is a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. We are going to multiply 312 by 56. Are you ready for this, Mr. Ruzelman?
You gotta be kidding me right meow.
Nope. It's the same process, but the bow tie might look a little bit funny. We'll have to check it out. Are you ready?
I sure am.
Okay, so Ooh, this is a lot of add-ins, Mr. Ruzelman.
You know what I really like, Miss Bunny?
What do you really like?
Your numbers are lined up perfectly. So all of your ones are in the ones column. Your tens are all in the tens column. Hundreds in the hundreds column. Thousands in the thousands column. And you've even got a 10,000 in the 10,000s column.
Well, you know, I like to line them up by their place value, so I don't accidentally miss someone. I feel real bad. But thank you for the compliment.
I have classmates who are using the iPad tool to find and label nouns. Today, you're going to...
Using this level book. I use this for progress monitoring with my students during guided reading. Some students have the goal of fluency, and so I can easily, quickly monitor their fluency each week, and then I can use it monthly for the rest of my students. What I like about it is that it's super quick to use, and it uses a lot less paper.